Check out this Fox body here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Hey, it's a 4i even. 1986 Ford Mustang GT convertible. 5-liter underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. 10-hole wheels. Power steering, power brakes. AC. Although the AC is in op, we need some TLC to get that working. Consigners to price it accordingly. Sell it as it is and announce it. We'll paint chip up here in the front too, as you can see in the face as we take a look at the front end. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. BF Goodrich radial TAs. Car has had a repaint along the way. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Kind of a medium red. I don't know if this would be dark enough to be considered what the canyon red, medium canyon red. I know there was a wild strawberry, but that would be in a little different year. Sand beige interior, it looks like. Bucket seats, center console, of course the camel or tan convertible top. That is vinyl, power top, functions as it should. We're going to put it up at the end of the video, so you can check that out too. We'll take a peek at that. And then remember, we'll do a little driving video too before this is all over, so you can kind of see what it's like going down the road in this car. Take a virtual ride along, if you will. Remember, do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. I believe 86 would have been the first year of that third brake light. Again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see this car with the top up, top down. Interior, engine bay, trunk, undersides. If you take a look at the driver's side, notice there's kind of a little chip here up in the front of that door. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, or just out on a Sunday afternoon. Sun's out, top's down. All right, as you can see, power windows and power locks. Get a look at the material on the front seats. And you'll be able to see the interior from all different angles with the still pictures. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you hear it run. Odometer reads 13,620 according to previous owner of 113,620. Have had the radio working. Wipers work, which I think you'll find out in the driving video also. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Amp meter. Turn this down a second. Oil pressure and fuel gauge. AM FM cassette player. Of course, the 5-speed. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the dash. Dash appears to be in nice shape. Flip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like you'd expect a box body 5-liter to sound. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open. I need to prop it up. Just give me a second. We'll check out that engine bay. There we go. Hood open. There it is. 5-liter 302 V8. And power steering, power brakes, AC. Aluminum radiator. It's been installed. Battery disconnect for in between drives if you have it in storage. Sounds good. Looks as you'd expect. One to get in and drive. 1986 Ford Mustang GT convertible. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Look through all the still pictures. But first, I want to give you an idea what this convertible top looks like, and then, like I said earlier, stick around to the end of the video, see what this car is like going down the road. And here it is with the top up. So tan or camel colored vinyl. Power top. Functions as it should. There you can see the fit above the windshield. Looks good. I also rolled up the side glass. See how that looks. It is power windows. They do all go up. Kind of that 80s power window thing, if you know what I'm saying, though. Might take just a little bit, but they got up. Glass rear window, clear. It's good back there. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes over here on the driver's side. Around to the passenger. One real, just kind of minute little spot there. Don't think anything major that's gonna change how this top performs. Need to keep you out of the sun. Maybe a brief shower. Looks like it's gonna serve the purpose just fine. And hey, how many times you're gonna actually have the top up on it. And there's the passenger side glass all the way up. 1986 Fox body, 4i. Ford Mustang convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1986 Ford Mustang. This car is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. This is a 5-speed manual right here on the console. Nice sounding Mustang. We do have good throttle response and good power for this car. Our blower motor works, wipers work. Factory radio also working.
For your hunting rituals, there are 43 species.
Ford premium sound, and in the center armrest there is, in the storage compartment, a piece of audio that will direct the sound and equalize the sound, and that is wired in and does function. It does sound like a couple speakers may not be working, but the audio is good from the ones that work. Under the dash there's a diagnostic letting you know with an LED that lights up if there's low fuel, tail light is out, brake light is out, needs washer fluid, needs headlights. That is pretty neat for 1986. Our fuel gauge is showing clear full. That may be accurate, I'm not sure. Oil pressure is good at 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Amps are just over half. Temperature is just under half. Factory tachometer working well. Factory speedometer also working well. Comfortable cloth seats. Power windows on this car. Very easy to drive. If you want to take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.